Welcome to InsureSavvy. I'm Natranand, and today we're tackling retired military dental insurance. Yes, the confusing acronym-filled maze that makes even the bravest sweat. But don't worry, I'm here to break it down. No jargon, no snooze fest, and maybe even a laugh or two. We'll cover the real scoop, smart hacks, and how to dodge those wallet-busting surprises. So grab your coffee, and let's make sense of the dental maze for military retirees fast, clear, and actually useful. Ready? Let's dive in. Let's rewind. For years, military retirees had TRDP, the TRICARE Retiree Dental Program. It was familiar, if not perfect. Then, in 2019, TRDP was replaced by FEDVIP, the Federal Employees Dental and Vision Insurance Program. Suddenly, retirees had to pick from a dozen new plans, each with its own rules and networks. The idea? More choices, better value, and competition to drive down costs. But the reality? Confusion, especially when your trusted dentist was suddenly out of network. Many faced higher premiums or less coverage, and comparing plans became a full-time job. FEDVIP offers multiple carriers. Think Delta Dental, MetLife, Aetna, and more, each with different options. Instead of one plan, you now have a buffet, but you need to read the fine print. The switch also meant learning new enrollment systems and deadlines, like the Benefeds website and open season. Miss the window, and you're stuck for a year. The bottom line, the move from TRDP to FEDVIP was a big shift, and it's up to you to actively manage your plan. Don't assume your old dentist or coverage will carry over. Every year, review your options, premiums, networks, benefits, because what worked last year might not work now. Treat open season like your annual dental checkup. Review, compare, and adjust. Insurance isn't fun, but a little effort now saves headaches and money later. Remember, the rules changed. So should your approach. Don't just pick the familiar name, dig into the details. The more you know, the better your coverage and your smile. Stay sharp, stay flexible, and don't let the system catch you off guard. Let's keep moving. FEDVIP is your new dental playground with big-name carriers like Delta Dental, MetLife, and Aetna. Each offers standard and high-option plans. Pay less monthly for higher out-of-pocket costs or more monthly for better coverage. The trade-off is simple. Lower premiums mean higher costs at the dentist and vice versa. The most important thing? In-network versus out-of-network dentists. In-network means lower costs and less hassle. Out-of-network can mean surprise bills. Always check if your dentist is in-network before picking a plan. Most carriers have online tools for this. Good news, most FEDVIP plans have no waiting periods for major services. Need a crown on day one? You're covered after your deductible. This is a huge perk, especially if you've put off dental work. So recap multiple carriers, 2 plan types, network matters, and no waiting periods. Don't just pick the cheapest or what your friend has, compare for yourself. Use the online tools, check the networks, and know your needs. The right plan saves you money and stress. FEDVIP's variety is a plus if you do your homework. Don't skip the details. Your wallet will thank you. Make your choice based on your dental habits, not just the price tag. Remember, the best plan is the one that fits your needs, not just your budget. Take a little time now to avoid big headaches later. Let's keep going. Let's get honest. FEDVIP isn't perfect. Top complaint, high premiums, low benefits. Many retirees feel they pay a lot but still face big bills. Annual maximums can be hit fast if you need major work. After that, you pay 100%. Finding a good in-network dentist can be tough, especially in crowded or rural areas. Networks look big on paper, but not every dentist is taking new patients or is convenient. Confusion is rampant. FEDVIP, VADIP, TRICARE, discount plans. It's an alphabet soup. Missing open season is a costly mistake. You're locked in for a year unless you have a qualifying event. Plans, networks, and premiums change. So should your choices. Comparing plans is overwhelming. Different deductibles, coinsurance, and networks make apples to apples tough. Many just pick the cheapest or most familiar, but that's risky. The fix? Treat open season as your annual insurance checkup. Review your needs, compare plans, and check your dentist's network status. Don't let confusion or habit cost you money. Use online comparison tools and read the fine print. Ask questions. Don't assume last year's plan is still best. Stay proactive, not passive. The more you know, the fewer surprises you'll face. Make your plan work for you, not the other way around. Let's look at another option. Let's talk VADIP, the VA Dental Insurance Program. It's not just for those with full VA dental benefits. If you're enrolled in VA healthcare or are a CHAMFA beneficiary, you're likely eligible. VADIP partners with Delta Dental and MetLife to offer group rate dental insurance. Sometimes VADIP premiums are lower than FEDVIPs, so always get a quote. Like FEDVIP, VADIP usually has no waiting periods for major services. You pay a monthly premium and choose from different plan levels, compare coverage, deductibles, and annual maximums. VADIP isn't always better, but it's a strong alternative, especially if you want to keep costs down. Enrollment is separate from FEDVIP's open season, so check both options when shopping. For some, VADIP is the best deal. For others, FEDVIP's network or benefits win out. Don't overlook VADIP, compare it every year. Find details on the VA website or directly through Delta Dental and MetLife. The key: don't default to FEDVIP without checking VADIP. Sometimes the underdog wins. Add VADIP to your comparison list. Next, let's talk about saving even more. Let's talk flexible spending accounts, FSAs. If you or your spouse have access to an FSA, use it. You contribute pre-tax dollars and use them for dental expenses, saving you 20 to 30% instantly. FSAs cover most dental work: cleanings, fillings, crowns, dentures, even braces. Estimate your expenses carefully. FSAs are use it or lose it, so don't over-contribute. If you know you'll have out-of-pocket dental costs, an FSA is a no-brainer. Even in retirement, you might access an FSA through a spouse or part-time job. Check your plan's eligible expenses list. Most dental care qualifies, but not cosmetic work. Using an FSA is like getting an instant discount on your dental bills. Combine it with FEDVIP or VADIP to lower your net costs even more. Don't leave tax savings on the table. Plan ahead during benefits enrollment. FSAs are a powerful tool for smart dental spending. Let's look at one more option. Dental discount plans, think of them as membership clubs for your teeth, not insurance. Pay a membership fee, get access to dentists offering discounted rates, no deductibles, no annual maximums, no claims. Great for those with healthy teeth who mostly need preventive care. Discounts are immediate, and there are no waiting periods. But you must use a participating dentist, and networks can be small. You pay out of pocket just less than usual. Not ideal for major dental work. Big bills are still big, just a bit smaller. Can be a good bridge if you miss insurance enrollment or want to supplement coverage. Always check the provider list before joining. Don't expect comprehensive coverage. These plans are about savings, not insurance. Compare fee schedules and networks before signing up. For some, a discount plan is the perfect fit. Know your needs and choose wisely. Here's the secret. Audit your dental plan every year, especially during open season. Plans, networks, and your dental needs change. Don't set it and forget it. Review your dental health, expected needs, and last year's costs. Compare premiums, deductibles, coverage, and networks. Use online tools to check if your dentist is still in network. Don't stick with a plan out of habit. Make a data-driven choice. Consider VADIP, FSAs, and discount plans as part of your annual review. A little research can save you hundreds and ensure you get the care you need. Be proactive, not passive. The best plan is the one that fits your current needs and budget. Make plan audits a habit. Your wallet and your teeth will thank you. Take control and be a savvy insurance shopper. Let's wrap it up. We made it! From TRDP to FEDVIP, VADIP, FSAs, and discount plans, you're now armed with the knowledge to make smart dental choices. My goal? Help you ask the right questions and find the plan that fits you. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and drop your questions or tips in the comments. Let's build a community of savvy savers. Share your stories and help each other out. Until next time, stay savvy, keep smiling, and see you soon.